Welcome to 930 Blizzard Road in Mississauga, Ontario. At the entry of this house, you are welcomed into your powder room. Continuing on to the left, you are given this very large dining hall area, which leads you directly into the kitchen. Over to the right side, you have your common area and your main living room with access to a private deck and a very large green area. Let's go take a look upstairs. Over to the left side, you have the first two bedrooms. All windows in every room, some extra shelving area and a double door closet. Second bedroom, once again you get a double door closet. Walking into our primary bedroom, as you can see, very large. You can easily fit a king side bed with your side dressers. Walking into your private ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. You have a second full bathroom upstairs. If you are interested in viewing this home or have any questions, reach out to Royal York Property Management. We are open 7 days a week, 24 hours. Thank you.